So maybe Dave, maybe you can be the one to explain to us what actually DMaaS is. Can you give us a top-bottom view of what we're talking about today?
You're going to get Serverfarm's definition of DMaaS, or my personal definition of DMaaS, because when you Google it, you'll get everything from just getting UPS metrics online to our solution, which is a complete virtualization of the data center, MEP, and IT assets. I'm going to contend, based on my history, that if you don't see the whole thing, if you can't virtualize the data center and truly manage it remotely, it's not a DMaaS solution. It's just a small piece. It's another data point.
The DCIM platform, the software, the technology base, on its own, it's simply a large repository of data that in most cases is very nicely presented to a user. But the user ultimately has to take that information and make decisions. And our view of DMaaS and what we do for our customers is exactly that. We build that information repository using our in-command platform. We surround it with competent people who can do exactly what you described. They can do the data analytics. They can do capacity planning. They can control change. They can manage governance. And they can issue work orders to the rest of the organization that go and execute those changes.
So we're talking about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and all the other new things, the fancy things that we all want in our data center now. How does DMaaS fool next generation technologies?
So firstly, let's think about some of the new workloads that need to go into data centers. They are by definition much more demanding than old workloads. And so capacity planning, capacity management, asset management, all of those things, change management as well, by the way, all of those things that control how that environment lives and breathes is actually much more important than ever before, because the sort of penalty associated with it going wrong is much bigger.